Okay, we got the anti-slip tape by Trezon. This is 4 inches wide. It's got an 80 grit on the tread itself. It's for indoor and outdoor use, and it says it is waterproof. I'm going to use this on these stairs right here. So I took the roll out of the packaging. Here's how the roll looks. It's got some backing paper on it. So you just peel off your grip tape from the backing paper and apply. All right, so I cut it into 4 equal lengths. I'm going to peel this off. It sticks on pretty well, especially the corners. A lot of tape starts peeling up from the corners. But there's a good adhesion there. So as I'm doing these, the adhesion is actually really sticky. So I would make sure you line it up first because it's going to be tough to pull it off. And then to kind of even it out, I'm using the backing paper just to kind of smooth it out. That way I don't tear up my hand. Here's the tape after installation. I love that this is 35 feet long. It had plenty of tape to cover my stairs, plus another set of stairs I had out back.